All right, we're over at the Woods subdivision. Great, nicely developed community here on Lake Keowee. We're in one of the Finger Cove sections of the Woods, and basically the Woods is going to kind of start right here on your left, where you see this nice home situated out here on the point. And then we're going to go around and kind of follow the shoreline. Got some nice houses back in the tree line back there. Nicely wooded property, a lot of mature hardwood trees. So most of these lots that we're looking at back through here at the back of the cove, have a topography rating of, 1.5 to 2.5, so very gentle sloping. As you get back towards the end of the cove back there, a lot of those lots are very steep. I mean, they're about a number 7. But then again, it starts to, basically as we move out of the cove, starts to be a little bit less slope on these properties, more around a 4 or so. And you got a nice house up here on the point that's kind of hard to see because of the trees. But you get some nice views looking out on the lake from this nice little protective pocket of property. So really, I mean, that's what you have in here, because when you're looking around here at the Woods and you look at the view and how the community is situated on this little section that we're in right here, you get just this nice protected area back in here, good deep water, and just a nice little swim cove. And like I said, as we move back towards the point where I was just filming, there's more lots for the Woods as we go out just past the point here on the left. And I'm going to go out there just a minute, because some of those will give you more open water views, and I'll show you that here in just a minute. Okay? All right, we're back in the cove. I was filming that little home up on the point that you couldn't see. Excuse me. So we were back there in the back of the cove. So now we're moved out to the more open water, which these homes are going to be sitting on the western side of the subdivision. So you can really get a good view of more open water on these properties here on the western side. And the Woods goes on past that dot that you see there back to the left, and dead ends down at the boat slips. Okay, let's go ahead and get a view for, obviously those down towards the boat slips would kind of be looking across the cove as you move into that cove back there. But get great open water views from the western side of the neighborhood on some of these houses. And you're looking at 2 nice protected islands here also. So just a good visual as you're looking out from your house from this neighborhood, because you're getting to see a lot of protected land that will never be developed on these 2 islands here. Okay?